Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So again, with BMW, we'll keep it up. So now I'm going to review the 2021 BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe in 218i Sport. This is the only variant here in the Philippines. We do not get yet the M235i. So I'm going to do this review now. So let's go to the exterior right now since it's so hot. And like this, its brother, the 1 Series, this is also a mini shared platform, shared along with the BMW X1 SUV and X2 and the former 2 Series MPV, and as well as the Mini Countryman and Mini Clubman. But unlike the M2, which are completely different cars with this one, these two are completely unrelated. The only thing they share is the number 2, but this drivetrain and powertrain is shared more with the 1 Series. Of course, being front-wheel drive, when cornering hard, when you lose traction on the inside wheel, the outer wheel will brake automatically and slightly send power to the outer wheel to give more traction and not lose grip whatsoever. And with being a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission on same with the 1 Series, it uses a low viscosity to reduce emissions and fade smooth delivery while also enhancing fuel efficiency. So this is the interior of the BMW 218i Sport. You have here ambient lighting. You can change colors in the infotainment system. This does not have wireless charging pad and Android or Apple CarPlay, but it has Bluetooth MyLink. As in the previous review, they look similar with the 318i Sport. So only legends will know. So okay, you want me to do it again? All right, fine. So here you have your probably putting your money, maybe putting your cards there. You have your glove box, which is big enough, and before you have your thigh support and electronic adjustments for the seat, and as well as the lumbar support. So let's go to the back. Also, since being a fastback Gran Coupe body style, the door opening in the back is quite small. Even I'm not the tallest person in the world, shot. Anyway. Go in here, so I have to literally do this to get in because of the opening. So space here in the back. Headroom is enough for me. I think just the same in the Volkswagen Lamando review. Here you have your aircon vents, same with the USB-Cs. Transmission panel is not that tall, so it's fine. Seat pockets here. Also here in the middle, you have your central armrest with pop-up cup holders. And also, cool feature, you have your central armrest if you want to carry long items, maybe like a poste, probably something. So anyway, let's go to the back. Before that, sorry, you have here also isofix tethers for baby child seats, sorry. And that's probably about it. Yeah, let's go to the trunk now. Now I know how to operate the lights. Anyway, and apologies to my previous 318i Sport review. It has kick to open only, but when you kick it back to push it down, it will not have that feature. But I will not do that now. You know why? But anyway, space here in the back is 430 liters, which is not bad. The opening is wide. It's 50 liters more than the BMW 1 Series, which is based on. But unlike the 1 Series, you cannot carry taller items. If you want taller items, just get the 1 Series. But here, it's not bad. And it's also 50 liters less only than the 3 Series. So my bag of equipment right here is just enough. So here you have your understorage here. Since these are all season run flat tires, you will not need a spare tire. So that's about. So it doesn't have electronic tailgate, we just push it down. But anyway, okay. So let's go now to the engine. I forgot about the design. You have frameless windows, which is really cool. Then every design of BMW, even the 3 Series, has this window king. I just forgot to mention. Sorry. So this is the same engine in the 1 Series 118i Sport. It's a 1.5 liter 3-cylinder twin scroll turbo with I forgot how many horsepower and torque. Just put it on screen. Apologies. So yeah, it's a small compact engine. This shares with some of the Mini Cooper base models. So with specifications out of the way, let's go for a drive. Ay, ito hold pala. Yeah. What's the fuel consumption pala on this, sir?
Dito 9 to 10
Mm.
on city driving for let's say na X-Lex,
Mhm.
X nasa 18 to 20.
Then this one, di ba, is the same platform with the 1 series, ganun, no? It's the same drive team lang, no? This different body style lang.
X different body style. Yung ambient lighting niya ito nandito siya sa gitna ng mga lines.
Mm.
Hindi na natin siya makikita.
Yeah, it's okay naman.
Ingat na lang sir sa
Mhm. Like before lang. Like before lang. So, ano sir yung meron yung Apple CarPlay, yung tapos mga Android, yung full feature. What car has that na BM?
X5, yung Android po kasi wala pa. The 4 series meron. Pero
Yeah.
3 wala.
Only Apple stuff.
Yes po. Apple CarPlay for the X5. And then yung Android, ang meron pa lang is the 4 series. X5, X7.
This one talaga, it's only Bluetooth link.
Yes.
Mm. Same with the 1 series and X1?
Yes. Actually, the X1 doesn't have the touchscreen display pa.
Mm.
The iDrive system only, pero di pa po touchscreen yung display.
Okay. I'll say it. It feels mini-like ish, mini-like. Yung steering, kasi same engine naman din sir, di ba? Showroom na ulit sir or sa here?
Nasa showroom na lang.
You can stop na. Yeah, see, when we park, just cut it off na.
Diretso na natin.
Here?
Okay, one review from a non-car person. This is A+. All the way. Yeah. You get what I mean. I'm taking over his channel.
What's my verdict on the BMW 218i Gran Coupe Sport? Very little complaint about. Actually, it's a really good car. The looks, okay, everyone may have their opinion on it. But for me, I kind of like it. Looks weird, but in a good way for me. I also found out after the review, whatever driving mode you in, the Eco, Pro, the Comfort, the Sport, the suspension stays as it is. The suspension is firm, but it's not really bad. I mean, like in terms of the harshness, no, it's really a comfortable car. You can feel it, but it's not too bad at all. What else? Maybe the one complaint lang, but it might be for other people lang. But for me, the rear headroom is fine for me. Maybe the rear headroom, like taller people than me might struggle a bit, but for me, it's fine. So I really don't know what else to say. It's a really good car. Even my sister likes it. She even gave her opinion and she loves the air vents in the back, which is a big plus in this country. So hope you like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon with more future reviews.